everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Antoinette Evans, and on this channel we are finding ways to elevate our everyday, romanticize our life, and maximize our wardrobe.
Who gave you a reason to act so shady?
Today we are teetering on the maximize our wardrobe. I got a few pieces from Elouqii. This will be the second order I have done in like 35 days with Elouqii. I had a credit. Some things didn't work from the last try on that I did. So I returned it back, got a credit, and I told myself this time around, I want to get some pieces that are just some cute basics. No color, just some black and white, just to rebuild my wardrobe. Now, from the last video, from the Get Ready With Me that I did maybe about 2 weeks ago, you saw that I went through the emotion of getting dressed in like 45 minutes for a dinner date. But I'm starting to understand now that my style is changing. What I'm looking for is also changing. How I want to feel in my clothes are changing. I'm no longer really interested in anything oversized for some reason. Right now, I just feel extra big when I put on something oversized. So I've been wearing more of my own size, which is teetering. I teeter between a size 12, 16, depending on the brand, depending on the fit, depending on the cut. There were 5 pieces, which I have to say, I'm so proud of myself, right? Because I think my credit was like $82 and some change. I ended up shopping on Valentine's Day weekend. I got home, I wasn't going anywhere, started scrolling through my phone. I was like, oh, Eloquii has a sale. Let me just jump in and see. So I added some things to my favorites. Then went to my cart and I saw that in my email, I actually had a credit. I said, oh, perfect. Perfect. I ended up spending maybe $82 or so on 5 items behind me, which is very unheard of, especially knowing that right now you can spend $82 on one item. But your pockets are your pockets, my pockets are my pockets. I like to extend my pocket in my wardrobe. One of these days, I will get into luxury fashion, but that is not where I am. So, for my everyday girlies who can afford everyday things, let me show you the 5 pieces that I got with my $82. All right, so again, in no particular order, I'm just gonna pull things and see where we go. I do need to put some pants on because a lot of this I think are just tops or bottoms. So this one is a top. What size is this? So this one is a size 16 in the top. How do you open the bag? I already know I'm going to keep this one. I'm still going to show you guys, but I already know I'm keeping this one. So I just put on a black high waist like legging, just so that way I don't distract from the actual item that I'm trying to show you all. Why does this feel like this? Oh, these straps need to come down. These straps are up too damn high. I can honestly say when I ordered this, I was debating. I learned my lesson from the last order that I need to basically get my size. It's okay for me to size up, but for Eloquii, they are very true to size on Eloquii. So it almost didn't make sense for me to go too many sizes up. Other brands, I gotta go up maybe 1 or 2 sizes. Eloquii, I can actually go down. Oh, let me take this off so I can see the whole vision. The next item, I just throw size on that, so let's just see. Oh, this I wanted. This I wanted for sure. Let me go put on a different top so I can show you guys how this one is going to fit. This, I have to say, I'm happy with. Anyone that knows me knows how much I really don't do shorts. I don't like the fact that they're so tight, they're tight around the thighs, or that nowadays shorts are just too short. I can't do it. And I am a high waist snob, okay? I absolutely love something high waist. This, I have to say I was debating between getting a size 16 versus getting a size 18. This is a 16. And I am very much happy that I got it in a 16. It still has that easy breezy feel. It has that effortless, I'm not really doing too much, I'm not trying too hard, but it still fits at the waist like it's supposed to. I was debating on getting the 18 so that way it can fit a little bit more relaxed in the hip and the thigh, and at the waist would just come down just a little bit more. So again, have that slight oversized, like effortless look. But I'm very happy that I actually stuck to a 16. Good thing I did not get a 14. If I got a 14, it would have fit way more in the waist, which is fine. But in the thigh, So this one I did go up. I'm normally a 12, 14, 16. That's kind of like my range of sizing. This I love. I love. Now, again, I just threw on a bodysuit so that way I'm not distracting from the actual piece that I want to show. But this as an outfit, you're traveling somewhere for the weekend, you have a last minute notice, you just need something easy, breezy, and cute. This as an outfit, it is kind of chilly right now, but going into the spring, summer, this with a cute sandal, a cute heel, a muled heel, a summer boot. You can throw on a lightweight windbreaker cropped jacket. You could even do a long trench if you really wanted to. Like a cute long spring trench with any kind of oversized clutch. You could do a sneaker with it. This could be I just need to run errands, but I still want to look put together. This could be a date night. This could be a travel fit. There's different, see, buildable wardrobe. Buildable wardrobe, you can wear it together, you can wear them separate. All right, what's this one? I think this is a top. Whatever it is, I think this time around I pretty much got everything in a 16. Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. If you remember from the last video, and again, I'll put it up on the screen or in the description, I got this in white, and I did say if there were other colors, I would get more. All right, so this is it in black. And I know I should really do a more colorful bottom, but I'm just gonna stick with these black leggings because it just works with everything. The ease. The beauty of the easiness of this shirt, it's just easy breezy. Effortless, it's cute, my auntie arms are out. It's lightweight. I did get it in a 16. I believe I got the last one in a 14. And I told myself if they had any other colors, I would do the same thing again, but I would go up a size just for a little bit more ease. Because I see that a lot of the Elouqii tops are a bit tight in like the upper bust area. But again, maybe that's a way just to get it to just sit. This, again, a pair of jorts, a maxi skirt. I could do a pair of dress pants with this and then tuck it into the dress pant. I like this. And this was only I think it was $5.97. It's like final sale. I can't return it. I don't intend on returning it. Easy breezy. All right, let's move to the next one. This one is a 14-16. I really did stay, look, I learned my lesson. I stayed true this time around. What is this one? Like, I don't remember anything in this material. Yes. It's way too see-through for me to do a try-on with no bra. I wish this was a smaller size, though. Okay, alright, get out the way. I'm not gonna lie. I have very high hopes for this one. I was really hoping this was gonna fit the way, like, I envisioned it in my mind. It's not really fitting the way I was hoping it would. It almost fits like this fits like it is a size too big. This one I would prefer in like a 10 or a 12, but it's a 14, 16. It has too much give. I feel like it's just too much material. Just too much material. And it almost doesn't lay the way I was hoping. I was hoping for more of an effortless feel. This feels like I'm just gonna get annoyed really quick. I'm not gonna return it. I can do something with it. Like, this is gonna be one of those. This is not necessarily gonna be a piece that I might gravitate to often. But this might be one of those, I feel frumpy today and I just wanna feel like myself, but I don't want anything. Yeah, but ultimately, not my favorite piece out of this whole thing, but I can make it work. It still gives me that effortless, I can maximize my wardrobe. I just wish in some way it could go down maybe 1 or 2 sizes. But I know Elouqii is just a plus size site, so me kind of asking for a size 10 is not realistic, but this is the one piece that really just doesn't fit the way I thought it was going to fit. Still like it. This is the second piece that I was rooting for, but it's okay. I had to come show you. I didn't even put it on yet. The quality of this, I don't know what I was expecting quality wise, but I'm already impressed by the quality. Is a stunner. I have to say, this is the hero. This is the hero piece out of everything I ordered. I didn't even button it all the way because, again, I gotta get dressed for church. This? This is one of those pieces that I can wear no matter what the season. Maybe not the summer. Maybe not like the dead of summer. That's probably not gonna work. But like fall, winter, spring, this is a statement piece. This is not something that is unrecognizable. Yes, I'm wearing my clothes, okay? I am an outfit repeater, but something like this is going to be worn. Oh, it's going to be worn, and it fits the waist. Beautiful. Honey dear. All right. I have been looking for a dress like this, like a denim dress, for the absolute longest. I did attempt, no. I did order the Future Collective denim dress that Janae did with Target. I ordered my size. That was a fail. I should went up like 2-3 sizes. I saw a few pieces at some other brands, tried them on. Again, I tried my size. It was one of those, like, I have a broader chest, so I tend to struggle with this area. I am somewhere between like a size 12 and size 16, depending on the brand, depending on the make. Sometimes I go to an 18 just to have more of a timeless, clean silhouette. This, right in my wheelhouse. I was debating on what size I should get. This one, I stayed true to size. This one, I stayed true to size. And I was worried because I'm like, I don't know if it's going to fit around my chest area. I didn't button it all the way because I just don't feel like fighting with the buttons. Love. And I love the detail. But this is a statement piece with the cape at the top. So for those who are uncomfortable or might be a little bit insecure with their arms. Sometimes I am, sometimes I'm not, sometimes I care, sometimes I don't. But for those who are uncomfortable showing their arms, this cape does just that. It hides the insecurity of having slightly bigger arms or whatever your insecurity might be. But the fact that it is so cropped, it's a super, super cropped cape, makes your waist appear even smaller. But in the idea that there is a belt loop option, if I wanted to add a belt around the waist just to, again, pull it in a bit more, oh girl. And then the length of it is not too short. It's not midi where flex is going to cut you off. I am 5'9" on a good day. And then with the pop, ooh, I can't say enough about this. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am on my way to church. Before somebody asks, yes, this is my church fit for today. I wanted something cute, something casual, no makeup. Okay? We going with a super fresh fit, no makeup, hair pulled up, because I intend on balling like a big old kid in church today. All right? Let's get some of this off me. But anyway, this is the outfit for church for today. I don't know if you can see my shoes. I just went with some chunky Oxfords. I really am going with a full monochromatic look because my bag is green too. But I will see you guys next time. Most of these items I don't believe are available anymore. So what I'm going to do is drop in the description some of my Eloquii favorites as of right now. We'll do like a mini capsule wardrobe of my favorites from Eloquii. I'll drop that down below. But until next time, thank you guys so much for shopping. I'll see you soon. Okay, bye.